Houston approach 13305, 34 kilo.
Yes, sir, and maintain VFR at 3000. I'm sorry, maintain VFR at 2000, 2000.
Maintaining VFR 2000, 34 kilo.
Okay.
Direct Royce to join now, you go 3254. That was 2958, you coming down?
Yeah, we're just getting configured, yes sir, so 2958.
Houston approach, Calian 4434 kilo.
Calian 4434 kilo, Houston Roger, maintain VFR, it's outside of Bravo airspace, follow Interstate 10 eastbound.
Maintaining VFR under Bravo, following I-10 eastbound, 34 kilo.
Oh, 2958, turn left heading 190.
Left turn 190, so 2958.
You have
Eagle 3254, set to maintain 4000.
the 4000.
You need to go into hitting. You need such a hitting bug to do this with.
Number 34 kilo, traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles northbound, mostly indicates 1,200. It was reported to be a banner tow aircraft by 737.
Looking for traffic, 34 kilo.
That was 2958, flighting 150 now, intercept the 12 right, localized, set to maintain 2000.
150 to join the localizer down to 2000, so 2958.
You need to get back up. Well, that's not 1900 or do.
You see the traffic?
Runway is
I think you were talking about the guy with the banner.
That was 2958, thank you, cleared visual approach, runway 12 right, 170 knots or greater to the marker.
17 greater to the marker, clear visual 12 right, southwest 2958.